Kaya na nabanggit namin kanina, Alaska's second best when it comes to fast break, and what a move!
Yun yung bola ni Berhel Meneses.
Papasok sa loob, sumabay ka pa, binomba sa ere, and he hangs in the air, the aerial Voyager.
Di kikita, ayan na nga. Sabi ko na nga! Sakto ha. Pasang-pasang mo yan, Anthony.
Meneses quick spin move, he's underneath, what a move!
Ala Jordan na.
Yes, Berhel Meneses showing that he can play today. He's playing under pain, but nothing doing here.
To go in the second quarter. 3 seconds on the shot. Lila. Back, ayun. Binigay kay Meneses. Sarap naman. Aliwa pa. Binukot. Kailangan. Ito yung magic na ito ni Berhel. Paano hindi ka naman matutuwa? Ayun, aliwa. Ayun. Sabi ko nga sa kapatid.
Taken away by the Realtors. Here's Meneses. Up the alley. Who's unstoppable here in the first half, no?
Huge lead by Sunkist at 19-17. Meneses gets away again. Sumalubong si Art de la Cruz pero wala nagawa. Orin niyo yung ilang hang time na tinatawag. Time out po tayo.
Bago natin patusyel for Bong Alvarez. And now, the aerial Voyager going to the lane, using his quickness. At may foul pang kasama laban kay Victor Pablo. So ngayon, si Meneses nagpapakita na po ng gilas. Watch it again. The aerial Voyager going up and away. And Pascual on top by 3 points.
Espada with a touch.
Oh, they were talking about Meneses starting an aerial voyage. Well, that was one. Meneses already assigned for you. Basically, both teams have gone with this particular lineup. Each particular lineup for Meneses scores, and that's 31 for Berhel. We have Espada, Meneses, David. Dog Police going out in 10.
This is a great play around. They spread the floor out, and then they got out cutting in.
That ball away, and here comes Berhel Meneses all the way to the basket.
Good defense on the other end.
Travis ko nagpasa ron. Ito si Berhel Meneses. Nag-atake si Guillermo Gloria. Yes!
Isa pang problema ng mga player na ito naman. Close so far, so this game really fun from over. That's right. Remember in the first game, as Meneses hits that one, going away, 29.
Tumaran, Berhel Meneses versus Art de la Cruz. Meneses nakaharap na ngayon sa ring. Sumaksak sa loob. Yes! Naku, nakita natin, bahagyang-bahagya lang sa nauna pero alam mo na, may sure ball na yun.
Si Pino Harencio, talaga wala magagawa ron. Ang sunod-sunod na pa. About 2 minutes time. Ang Berhel Meneses. 10 points.
Oo. Inside pass! Berhel Meneses scores. Nakakadalawa na si
Berhel Meneses, nagkukubahog. Tumatong naman yung kanyang tumatang tira. Here's Meneses, Agustin, keeping it close, but this match is really hurting the game, of course, for Hawkins. Tang is keeping a close watch on Meneses, but Meneses has cleared.
Well, malaki-laki ang minana niyang team, as well as the responsibility. As we take a look at this shot by Berhel Meneses, it seems Benji Paras is the leading local scorer ng Formula Shell, and a good turnaround para kay Berhel Meneses finally.
9 years now, so you know they know what's going to happen. Easy play for Meneses.
Berhel. No look pass. Pineta Artino. To Martin Brad. Uy! Ganda naman. Hindi na gusto at bad shot pa yung ginawa ni Henry James here. Uy!
Meneses, laban kay Victor Pablo. Sees an open, he goes up again, and Meneses has taken over this ball game. Again, looking for the isolation. Berhel, head and shoulder fake, he goes up and gets the basket again. 15 points para kay Berhel Meneses.
They're still enjoying an 8-point lead.
Seconds to go in the second quarter. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Don't happen in the net. Binigay si Alvin Beng sa loob. Nabitawan, nakuha niya. Nabigay kay Berhel Meneses. Ibinaon.
Meneses tries it inside, rightly for Berhel.
And total, he tried the shot too early.
Pass inside to Berhel.
Berhel again.
Oh yes, he was challenged by two.
1-1 again.
Bong de Hoya, medyo humabot ni Marlo Aquino, meron pong foul na natawagin, pumasok pa ang tira.
Isang head and shoulder break lang nitong si Berhel Meneses, wala. Hindi si Maki Di Hoya. Actually, yung kanyang pagtungkit, medyo yung pa naka-apeke sa kanya. Pupunta sa kaliwa ito si Berhel, ayun, iwala siya. On na lang ang kanyang naibigay.
Ito ang yung habol ni Marlo Aquino eh. Napaka-safety talaga ito si Berhel Meneses, especially for inside.
Pero ito, Berhel Meneses, iniwan ang buong bayan ni Berhel Meneses for the slam dunk. And this is the biggest lead, a 6-point lead. Giorgio Lastimos in the second period. The same output that Meneses had in the first period. And Meneses, tirahan naman si Giorgio Lastimos.
Given up here, and Berhel Meneses, may naman!
Isolation for Meneses, and he shoots a long one.
Talaga, hindi mo malaman kung ano gagawin.
Meneses still part of the starting lineup, going one-on-one there against Agustin, getting the 2 points. Seconds left on the reel to a shot clock. Meneses makes the shot plus a foul. You see, they know that there is a mismatch. Meneses is taller.
Berhel Meneses naman, tumaktak sa loob. Ayun, ang kailangan makuha ng Pamplona, si Berhel Meneses na ikaw parami sa bonus game dito sa conference ito. At si Berhel Meneses, nag-iisip ba, naguna rin sa fast break, pinapyas na ang kalamangan ng
Nabayaan na lamang yung rebound.
Berhel Meneses. Nakatingin sa loob, hindi maipasa. Hindi na lang. Well, 2 points din naman.
Kanina nga, si Maki Di Hoya.
Sabi, second quarter sa 9-point lead na by bonus game. Dalawang timeout ako, sinatawag ni Coach Guimares dito sa second. Posito si Berhel Meneses, tama kay Vince Gignon. Hey, sa turnaround, and the triple by Berhel Meneses. Ito, Meneses. Dito, nakapagay sa kanya. Walang problema.
Si Berhel Meneses, instant over.
Bong Alvarez, laban kay Meneses. Alvarez, naghahanap ng puwang. He's underneath. Uy, masukit yan. Pumares, Smith did. Alan Kedic naman, medyo nagkalangan din.
Looked like a foul there because there was collision.
Travis with his big first step. Alan Kedic offline. Arch de la Cruz, Joe Lates.
Yan ang tinatawag na bonus.
Oops. Bitawan din pasa ng Alan Kedic. Kedic laban kay Meneses. Kedic dahan-dahang sumaksak sa loob. Drea Lubit para sa rebound. Para pa rin kay Skioyo Gindemin. Kedic. Dribble, sumaksak sa loob. Wala. Asa ito, no, hinahabol ang bola.
What a move!
3 seconds to go. It's a 2-possession game.